Hello everyone, I'm just gonna give you a virtual hug here. Thank you so much for watching this video and also for using Nordic Anglers as your go-to shop for all things fly tying or fly fishing related. I can see a quite big spike in the amount of orders that we receive from outside of Denmark, and that is really a positive thing. So thank you a lot to all of you out there who use and frequent our web shop Nordic Anglers. The first thing I want to show you is this one. This is something that has taken really taken off. This is the new stripping basket or stripping tray from Easy Shrimp Ice. This is the Line Master, and the amounts of pre-orders we have gotten on this is, well, to say the least, insane. I've never had a product like this that sells so well in a pre-sale of anything. This has taken the world by storm, and I understand why. This is a ridiculously cool product, amazingly innovative, and just awesome. It's also now in the store at an introductory price, which means that as soon as the first batch of these, the first order I have from these are sold, then the price is going to increase. We have a few left in at the introductory price level. So if you're in the market for one of these, get one. If you want more information regarding this, you should swing by the channel. There is a full in-length video specifically about the Line Master. Also, another thing that has picked up quite a lot of sales are the new colors of the Easy Shrimp Ice. So I just want to mention those again, since I'm mentioning the Line Master from Easy Shrimp Ice as well. With that off my mind, one of the things that has been the hardest to be able to supply in the past couple of years is Bucktail. I can now show you that we have just added a decent amount of bucktails in the long category. So we have just restocked on bucktail. We have not gotten all the colors that we wanted, and we have not gotten the quantities that we wanted. But we have gotten some, and some is better than nothing. So if you're in need of bucktail, then I would urge you to go and take a look at the selection and buy the stuff that you need, because when these are sold out, I don't know if it's going to be a year, if it's going to be 6 months or even 1.5 years again before I get any more bucktail. So bucktail is something that is insanely difficult to get. We have some now. So as with many other things fly tying related, when there is something available that you know you need, I urge you to basically go and buy it, because you don't know when it will be back next. Another thing is we continue with the sale of all the Frödin stuff. So basically all Frödin is now discontinued from our store, and we have marked it down with 30%. So all the really cool tube flies that he makes, in particular, I'm really fond of the foam beetles that he produces. They are the best foam beetles I've ever seen produced. They have the eye, and they're on a tube with a small perfect hook. So these are great. So if you're in the market for quality salmon and sea trout flies, then now you can get them at a 30% discount. Of course, all the Frödin fly tying stuff is also on discount as well. So everything shop-wide on the entire Frödin brand is marked down by 30%. So go and get some of those. We also continue to expand on the line program from Cortland. We have now had the time to take a lot of these lines out for a spin, and they are really awesome. The latest edition is this one. This is the Cannon, and basically it's dubbed very good, because this is what it is. This is a 12 plus weight, so this is a really big fly line that is designed to fish GTs and stuff. It has a really strong core, has a 50 plus core. So it's designed that it's used in the tropics for mainly fish like big tarpons and GTs as well. This is by public demand. I had quite a few emails from customers who were looking for this but was not able to find it anywhere. So we actually just decided to carry it. And I'm gonna use this one myself in Oman later this year to hopefully hook my first GT. Another great cool line from Cortland is the Trout bus. This is fast becoming one of our best-selling fly lines. It's the one I have mounted on this one. It's a really awesome all-purpose trout line. I've tested this out on a few trips and on basically just practice casting, and it's really a nice line that has the latest in coating technology from Cortland, and here it's mounted on the new really cool designed liquid S reel. Basically it's the same as the old liquid. It has just been updated with in regards to design. It has a larger brake button and stuff. On this reel is mounted on the new TFO Blitz, which is basically a saltwater rod with a taper that is not as fast as the Axiom 2X. This means you get a rod here that basically performs very well and casts very effortlessly. So maybe the Axiom 2X, the blue saltwater rod, it's a bit faster, so you can probably, if you're a really excellent and skilled caster, you can drive a bit more length out of the Axiom 2X than you can with this one. But this one just casts very effortlessly and easily. So if you're in the market for a saltwater rod that basically does the job and you can fish for 8 or 10 hours straight without having to extend yourself and use too much energy, and just basically just cast, retrieve, then the TFO Blitz is a really good bet. It's a nice designed rod. It has complete saltwater fittings, and it's just a thrill and a joy to fish for a full day. Well, basically that is about sums it up for what's going on, what's happening right now at Nordic Anglers. As always, I would like to thank you very much for watching these videos, and also for occasionally swinging by Nordic Anglers. As I said, we're seeing a big spike in orders from outside of Denmark, and that is really cool. So thank you a lot for that, and I just would wish you all the best of luck out on the water. I hope you will find whatever type of species of fish you're fishing. I hope that you out there are gonna catch the fish of your lifetime this year. So basically that's it. Thank you so much, and good luck out on the water.